Hi everyone, my name is James from class E2. Today I'm going to show you my integrated project, which is on smart curtain system. My agenda. Firstly, I'm going to show you my project story, followed by project objective statement. My project story. Nowadays, people are busy with their work and therefore lazy doing things are made to use their energy. Hence, I developed a project called Smart Curtain. This is a roller curtain system driven by servo motor to help users to check the weather condition outside their windows. Project objective statement. In this project, I include one input as IR sensor, LED and buzzer as two outputs. Last one is a servo motor as actuator. So my main purpose is to do something can save manpower and also cheap in cost, easily maintained and installed, as well as use recycled material. My project concept is to use IR sensor detect user hand movement and followed by trigger LED and buzzer to remind user that the motor will start to pull up the curtain. And then your LED and buzzer will on again before the motor starts to let the curtain go down. My story is like that. Nowadays, most of the high residential flats windows are facing each other with a close distance so that the owner tend to not open their curtains all the time. Therefore, the only possibility is open their windows is when they want to check the weather outside of their windows, like going or shy or not. My project development for the first week, I start to think about my design thinking and the circuit design, and like how I connect the circuit. Then the next week, I combine the code for respective components and make troubleshooting. On week 8, I create a prototype, make PowerPoint slides and video. My input is IR sensor. The purpose is to detect user movement and trigger LED and buzzer. Buzzer is one of my outputs. Buzzer is to use a pretty high frequency sound to remind user that the motor will start to operate. LED is my another output. It is used to remind user that the motor will start to operate. My actuator is servo motor. It is used to act like curtain roller to pull and release curtain when receive a signal from IR sensor. This is my action flows. So when IR sensor detects user hand movement, then trigger LED and buzzer on to remind user that the motor will start working. The motor will bring the curtain up and hold for a while. After that, LED and buzzer will on again to remind user that the motor will start working. Lastly, the motor will bring the curtain down. This is my flow chart. So when the IR sensor did not sense the movement, then it will go back to while true until IR sensor detects a hand movement. Then this is my source code. This is my finalized circuit photo on the left. Then the right side is a drawing circuit photo for better understanding. Challenges faced during the project development. Firstly, my original idea was to use a button to control the system. End up the button was not working properly. Then I did some troubleshooting like changing connection wire, change to a lower value resistor, even change to a new button. eventually I had no choice to change my input to IR sensor. Another issue I faced was time management because I just started my poly life. Things are quite new to me, so I need to learn how to manage my time more efficiently, more efficiently, and also I need to spend times on the project. The YouTube link I will attach later on. Thank you for your time.